Service forward collision warning message in your Renegade means that there are problems with the camera or radar. The FCW system consists of the radar sensor located behind the front bumper and also the front camera located behind the rear view mirror in the interior of your car. So the first thing is to check the possible blockage of the camera view, like the fogged windshield, snow or ice buildup on the windshield, etc. And then you need to check the radar area. And the radar on the Renegade may be located in the lower part of the bumper or right under the license plate. I've even seen custom license plate frame distracting the radar sensor work, and the car would throw this message. So if you see this warning intermittently, this is most likely because of the camera or radar not being able to work properly due to weather conditions, dirty windshield, dirty bumper, etc. And there is nothing much to worry about. I was laughing hard when I found one of the TSBs issued by Stellantis, where they stated that the solution for this problem is to reassure car owners that this is the normal operation of the system. Well, Stellantis is good at creating TSBs with a pinch of humor, I should say. But if the problem is permanent and you constantly see this service FCW message, this is most likely due to a faulty radar calibration or broken radar sensor or a faulty camera module. In the Renegade, the radar unit is one of the most common culprits, and if you try to make the dealership replace this unit, they will tell you to wait for several months since the part is on back order. This actually proves that the part is of poor quality, and a lot of Jeep owners have this issue. I would insist on recalibration because this may help in some cases, but dealers don't prove to be very helpful in this case. Anyway, problems with the camera or radar sensor are safety issues. They are covered by all types of warranty, and if you don't get any help from your dealership, open the case with the Jeep USA and also with the NHTSA. This will significantly speed up the process of repair for you.